Hello friends, we'll be discussing certain details about the bills of exchange next phase, which is related to concept of insolvency. Now the term insolvency means a person who is not able to pay off his liabilities, a person who is not able to make the payments and is bankrupt completely. That means that person is insolvent, so he won't be able to make the payments. Then we can reassure ourselves that the amount is not going to come. So in such scenario, two things happen. First, the acceptance of the bill that was done by such a person will be dishonored. So you have to pass the dishonor entry in any situation. If it can be an endorsement situation, then also you have to pass. If it is discounted with the bank, then also you have to pass. And the next thing is that his estate is sold out to pay off the debts. So whatever amount you receive from him as a part of his estate amount will be credited, or rather debited, to your bank account and credited to his personal account. And the next part, whatever hasn't come, will be a part of bad debts. So these are the things that we have to understand whenever you have to understand the concept of insolvency. So let's jot down certain things. So there are certain pointers that we have mentioned here related to insolvency. Let's read them out. It means not able to make the payment. It also means that estate will be sold off of that drawee. Dishonor entry has to be passed in all the situations. The amount that you receive out of his estate, any part, any small part, will be into your bank account. And the amount that is lost will be mentioned as a part of bad debts. So this is what we had to talk about insolvency. You'll understand more of this when we go ahead and solve the problems related to insolvency. So I hope insolvency, what does it mean and how it is supposed to be dealt with, is clear enough with this video. So thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned with Ekeeda and keep subscribing to Ekeeda.